Hello everyone and welcome. Have you ever thought, why isn't the TSA security line not moving? So in this video, I will take you through 5 mistakes to avoid so that way that line moves quickly. So let's begin. The first one is not arriving 2 hours ahead of your actual boarding. Not flight time, boarding, especially for domestic flights. For international flights, 3 hours ahead of boarding. Number 4, not doing the 311 rule. The 311 rule is the rule that TSA has for liquids in your take-on bag. So, which means then that the item should be, the liquid should be 3.4 ounces or less. So my recommendation is go to your local store, dollar store, or something like a Walmart and get the travel size product. And then you only allowed 1 quart bag for those items, and it's only 1 per person. So 1 in each one of your bags is yours and your travel companions. Now, of course, always in the description of this video, my contact information is in that. And so whenever you are ready for your next trip, you can set up an appointment with me. So let's get back. So the next thing that you do is not having your boarding pass and your ID ready for TSA. You can have a state issued ID or your passport and your boarding pass information, whether it's in paper form or in electronic form off of your phone. Next is clothing. You should be absolutely ready to take off any jackets, making sure that you have no jewelry on to make it an easier process. I always keep my handy travel bag with me, and this is my jewelry one, so I keep all of my jewelry in this until after I go through the TSA security line. And this bag is from Bag Smart. So get rid of the jewelry, the belts, no change in your pocket, no keys in your pocket, no cell phone in your pocket. And the way I stay organized is I put my carry-on bag last and my jacket or a jacket that I'm gonna wear to keep warm on the plane first. And then I have the rest of my items in between, because sometimes after you put it on the belt, your items might go through before you. The next thing that you really should consider is the program called TSA Cares. Now, this is a program that will help you go through their screening process, especially if you're traveling with someone that has a disability, anxiety, Alzheimer's, autism, anything like that, that would make the process more difficult for them, of your travel companions. I would definitely say look into this program. I'm putting a link in this video, as well as the form. And usually I say it's about 72 hours ahead of time that you need to do it. So that they need your flight information and all the information is included. So I would definitely take a look at that. So now I would say check out my other videos, and I'll see you there soon.